Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are solving LeetCode number 125. It's basically valid palindrome which comes under easy category. So we all know that what palindrome means, right? So it is a word which is read same from front as well as back. So yeah, so let us read the question. A phrase is a palindrome if after converting all the uppercase letters to lowercase letters and removing all the non-alphanumeric characters, it reads the same forward and backward. Alphanumeric characters include letters and numbers. Okay. So given a string yes, return true if it's a palindrome or false otherwise. So basically what they are telling is, so what we know is that, so for example, Malayalam. So it's a string which is read same from forward and backward, which doesn't consist of any numbers or any spaces. So it's an upgraded version of that one. So you can see here in the input a string, it is a man, a plane, a kennel, and a Panama. So if you remove all these commas, if you remove all these white spaces, and if you convert the capital letter to the small letter, and you can read it same from front as well as back. So that's why it has written true. So you can see here in the explanation they have like turned all these into a single block of small case lower letters without gaps. So which is a palindrome. So you can see here race a car. It's basically false because it doesn't give same when we write from forward and backward. Yeah, let's try to solve this. Basically, to solve this, what we should make sure is that, so whenever uh, we find a white space or a capital letter or a small letter or anything which is not an alphanumeric, we should skip that. So basically, we can solve this using two pointers approach. So one pointer would be starting from A, and another pointer would be pointing at this A. So we'll compare if both are same. Like after, if like first we would check if both are pointing to the alphanumeric. So in this case, first case, yeah, both are pointing to the alphanumeric. And next we should check if after converting to lowercase, if both are same. So we can see this is already in the lowercase. This A is capital A, but we will convert it lowercase. So these both are same. Okay, then it's true. Then move the pointers. Move the pointers to the next place. The next pointer comes into this space, and for this it's M. So if the left pointer is uh, it is facing at white space, we should skip that. So we'll write the code for that right now. So basically, we'll store the size of the string here. Yeah. We'll start with the two pointers, pointer left, which is right at the first, and pointer right, which is gonna point at the last character of a string. So while so until while left is right then left is left is right then left. We need to check first if all the left and right pointers are pointing at an alphanumeric. So for that, we need to make sure that always the left is less than right, and it's a special function. It checks if the number is alphanumeric or not. So yes of left. So if it is not, so what this statement tells is that, so if the number, if the pointer which is pointing at the start, which is left, if it is not the alphanumeric, so we would skip that. We will make sure to skip that. And while we should write the same for the right pointer. Okay, AL and UM. If it is not alphanumeric, for the same case, that is RIGST right. So we should decrease the pointer until we get alphanumeric. So if it has crossed both these while loops, then it would be obviously alphanumeric, but it can be capital letter or small letter. So for that we should write. So if to lower s of left is not equals to lower s of right, means After converting to the lowercase of both the pointers, if they are not equal, means some A is pointed to B, then we will return false directly here. So if it has passed both these means it would be same. So we'll increase the pointers. That's it. This is the answer. Finally, we'll return true if it has passed all these cases. So this is basically what's the answer look like. Check if it's run or not. Okay, we are facing a problem here. Maybe okay. Okay, yeah, it's a small spelling mistake here. Here it's also there is spelling mistake. Left is less than or right. Oh, oh, oh. Wait. Only I need to eliminate this. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Yeah, finally, all the test cases are passed. Let us submit this. Yeah, it's 29%. Thank you for watching.